Assalamualikum OyaRahmatullahe OyaBarakatuhu. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hussain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA CLASSROOM. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Today we will try to discuss risk assessment examples. In the previous classes we have discussed what is risk assessment. Now we will try to discuss how we use this assessment process or sensitivity analysis or scenario analysis, how we can use in our day-to-day life. So here you will see Norman Company, a manufacturer of custom golf equipment, wants to choose the better of two investment, A and B. It has the two investment opportunity, one is A and B. It requires an initial outlay of 10,000 and it has a most likely annual rate 15%. Management has estimated return associated with its investment pessimistic and optimistic outcomes. The three estimates for its asset along with its range are given in table 8.2. So here we will see two investment options. Here we have two investment options, one is A, another is B. Initial investment of these two investment, one 10,000, one is 10,000, another is also 10,000 taka. So you know the scenario analysis, there has the three scenarios. One is pessimistic, most likely, and optimistic. We know it very well. Three conditions, one is pessimistic, that is very bad, most likely, average, optimistic, very good. So in our example we will see pessimistic 13%, most likely 15%, and optimistic 17%. 13%, 15%, and 17%. These are the three conditions return of asset A. On the other hand, asset B is 7, 15, 23. 7, 15, 23%. So these are the expected return from this investment. Now question arise, which investment is better and why it is better. These are our conditions. So in the scenario analysis we have to calculate range. we have to calculate range. How we can calculate range? Optimistic minus pessimistic, that is the range of calculations, optimistic minus pessimistic. So for asset A, this range 17 minus 13. So what will happen? 4%. The range is 4%. For asset B, 23 minus 7%. So what will happen? That is the 16%. So you know here 16%. If we subtract 23 minus 7, or 23 minus 7 subtract from 23, we will get 16. So in our theory portion, we have learned that range is high, risk is high. If range is high, risk is high. We know it very well. If range is low, risk is low. So from our investment, we have to find out which one is better. So it is clear that asset A has the range 4%, whereas asset B has 16% range. So obviously asset A is better. So here as the question arises, want to choose the better of the two investments. So A is better investment, so this person can invest in asset A because it has lower range. So it is clear that here asset A is better than asset B. So he took as a asset A as his investment. So these conditions, if you can draw this condition in a bar chart, then it will clear to us. In asset A, you will see three conditions: 13, 15 and 17%, where asset B 7, 15 and 23%. So if the bar charts are more likely, more nearly, then it is less risky. If the distance is more one to another, then there are more risky assets. So if you see the bar chart, then you can easily say that asset A is better than asset B, because asset A's return are more tightly, but asset B's return are more flexibility or flexible, or more distance the return. So from our probability distribution chart or bar chart, we can easily say that asset A is better than asset B. So in this way we can assess the risks, but still we are not measuring this risks. We just assess this asset is better than this asset because B is more riskier than asset A. We assess this matter, but we are not measuring this matter. In the next classes we will try to discuss how we measure these risks in the following classes. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.